So in today's video, I will be attempting to define my mom's hair using the Bounce Curly hairbrush. Here are some videos of the results. If you guys want to achieve curls like this, stick around. Alright, so to start off, her hair was already freshly washed, so I sectioned her hair to prepare it for detangling and styling. This is the first section we're going to be working with. So my first thoughts about the brush is that it's super light and has a very creative and artistic look to it. So after sectioning the hair, you want to take a spray bottle and just spray your section with water. Next, I'm going to go in with my Just For Me leave-in hair milk and apply to the section. Next, I'm going to go in with my Not Your Mother's hair gel and take a little amount and just apply to the section. For applying, I generally like to smooth the product onto my section or even finger rake. Alright, so now I'm detangling my section to prepare for styling. So you're going to take the brush and go under your section and brush in a downward motion towards yourself, if that makes sense.
Mom, it's working. Yes, Dad. So beautifully. Oh my gosh. No.
So I'm going to show you guys the process of one section one more time, and then I'll let you guys watch the video. So I sprayed my section with water, added the leave-in. Now I'm going to go in with my gel, smooth it onto my hair, rake it into my hair, and then I'm going to go in with the brush and then go under and then go in a downward motion towards myself, and then you should get the curls you're looking for. The results were really good. I highly recommend this brush, especially for people with type 3 hair. This is definitely a game changer. If you've made it this far into the video, be sure to like and subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments if you guys have any products you guys want me to review. I really love the Just For Me hair milk because it matches with any product. It's so compatible, especially with the gel that I'm using, the Not Your Mother's. It has a really good hold to the hair and makes the curls just pop and has a lot of definition, so it just makes the whole look even better. I'll leave the links to the products that I used in this video down below in the description. You guys can also find them on Amazon or in your local Walmart. But yeah, anyways, back to the video. You guys just want to make sure you're just repeating the same process that you've been doing for the first few sections all throughout the hair. For those wondering, the styling process took about an hour and a half. I think it took a little longer because of the fact that we did sections. But yeah, it also helped with the look of the curls too. I posted a YouTube shorts on me using the bounce curl brush on my hair. And it had some good definition, I'd say. But I think it'd definitely be a lot harder for me to use this brush because of how thick my hair is. But I think with some good practice, I think I'd be able to get some pretty good results with it. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys want to see me define my curls using the Bounce Curl brush. Feel free to watch more clips of me styling until you reach 4 minutes and 18 seconds into the video, where I section her hair in the front and style, which is pretty important for most people. And we're back. I have my section of hair for the front. Now I'm gonna go through the same process, the same routine that I've been doing all video. So I started off by spraying the hair with water. I added the leave-in and then applied it to the hair. And now the gel. Then went in with the curl brush and detangled and then styled. But I didn't style in a downward motion, but kind of just went straight forward. That's what the curls are looking like, and it really just amazes me the results that I get with the brush. It's actually insane. And then I did the same process with the section on the back. And now we are finally finished. These are the results. I think it came out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Rate it out of 1 to 10. I'm gonna give it a rating. I'd say a 9.5 out of 10. Not gonna lie, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I wanted to give the hair some more volume, so I took a pick and then I just picked out the roots. I did the same thing for the front. And she's pretty happy with the results too. This is what they're looking like. Here's a close-up. And then I also went in with some diffusing. I used the Brazil blow dryer for diffusing. It's pretty good. Very lightweight. I definitely recommend it. But anyways, this is the end of my video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about the video. Also, if you guys have any video recommendations, any products you want me to review, let me know down below in the comments, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. God bless, and see you guys later. Peace.